Hi everyone, I'm Jason, and today we're talking about something that's often overlooked in elder law and estate planning firms: defining your goals. Simply put, what does success mean to you? Is it financial growth, personal fulfillment, better work-life balance, or the freedom to be your own boss? Understanding your goals is crucial for building a thriving practice. Think about it. You can't build a successful practice or even ask for help if you don't know what you're aiming for. Your goals are the compass that guides your decisions and actions. Let's start with financial growth. Financial growth is a common goal. Effective marketing can help you attract the right clients and boost your bottom line. But maybe your focus is on personal fulfillment, finding joy in helping families navigate challenging times. When your work aligns with your values, it's more fulfilling. Or you're simply looking for more free time. Streamlining your operations can free up time for personal interests. Good time management reduces stress and helps you achieve work-life balance. Or maybe you're looking for a balanced combination of all of those things, but with some flexibility. Many attorneys love the independence of running their own practice. Effective marketing can support this freedom by automating tasks and attracting ideal clients. Now that you've defined your goal, how do we work to make this goal a reality? Whatever your goal, a niche marketing firm can be a game changer. They understand your specific practice area and can develop custom strategies to help you achieve your goals. Remember, we're here to listen and understand, not judge. Whatever your goals are, we'll work with you to create a marketing strategy that aligns with them. But what are the benefits of a niche marketing company? Well, there's enhanced revenue. It can help you attract your ideal clients and boost your bottom line. You'll have increased job satisfaction. Only work with clients who align with your values. You can streamline operations. Efficient marketing saves time and reduces stress. And last, but certainly not least, supported independence. You can focus on what you do best while your marketing team handles the rest. Understanding and articulating your goals is the first step. Partnering with a niche marketing firm can help you achieve them. At Bambiz, we're just not about marketing. We're about helping you achieve your dreams. We offer personalized strategies, a happiness guarantee, and no long-term commitments. If you're ready to transform your practice, schedule a free 15-minute call with our team today. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing tips for elder law and estate planning practices, and we'll catch you again next time.